How do e-commerce sites make money? Sulaiman Bashir says, step by step to make money in e-commerce. 1. Create a blog that draws visitors. 2. Take advantage of shopping ads. 3. Automate your marketing emails. 4. Invest in the right platform. 5. Learn to leverage Facebook and Instagram. 6. Development and marketing for e-commerce websites. These things you should adopt in order to make money from e-commerce. There are many modules in which you can work like Amazon, Shopify, eBay, etc. I usually recommend Shopify Dropshipping. Why? Because you can make quick money in less time, but don't think it's a quick rich scheme. Thanks, Sulaiman, Shopify King. Abhishek Sahu says, none of the e-commerce are currently in profit. They are running at loss. All the growth and marketing fuss of these giants are the ways to acquire the customers. Once they build sufficient momentum, they will start charging commissions from the sellers. Most e-commerce currently are acting as marketplace for sellers and consumers. Then they are hoping to earn profit. However, that scenario is still at far. Riya Sharma says, how do e-commerce sites make money? According to this chart, at 3 months the average e-commerce site is generating just over $150,000 in monthly revenue. By the end of year 1 in business they are averaging almost $330,000 in monthly revenue, and after 3 years they're bringing in over $1 million in revenue every month, an increase of over 230%. Visit HWINFOTECH website if you are looking to develop e-commerce website. Thanks for watching our video on how do e-commerce sites make money.